Today I will go to paint the rear deck, the roof of the rear deck. I did weld it before 2 years ago. I welded in the roof. Now I will go to paint it. First I need to take out the old stuff, and then I go clean it with this. I'm ready with grinding. Now I go to sand it with this machine. I'm ready with sanding. Now I go to clean the roof. Clean with past, they have a light on the top of the roof. They take it out and welded a plug. I go to get it out again because I want to replace the light in the future. That's a hole. There I can put in a light. Now I go sand the rest. I will clean it with rust benzene. Sand the roof with sandpaper 80. We'll go to paint it with this again. It's only for protection. Later on I will put wood on top of the roof. I did use a cheap roller now, but now you can see not good. This one I want to try only 50 cents, but a lot of air get inside. You see? It get open again. We'll go to try this one. Maybe this one is better. You can see the difference. This one, the old one, the cheap one. This one, the new one. Much more better. Outside Lucky I have a good tent, so I can still work on.